Welcome to the BioCreativity module in the Creativity, Innovation, and Vision course. My name is Marianne Alleyne, and I'm a research scientist in the entomology department at the University of Illinois. Currently, we're at the Pollinatarium, that is just south of the University of Illinois main campus. The Pollinatarium serves as a science center devoted to flowers and pollinators. The Pollinatarium is located in the midst of a restored prairie and wooded habitat, which in turn is surrounded by agricultural and urban areas. I am now inside of the Pollinatarium to introduce you to the BioCreativity module itself. The first week, you should orient yourself to the topic of BioCreativity by watching some of the assigned videos. Also online are several other resources to give you information about what we are calling BioCreativity. You should become familiar with all of these tools as they will help you with the creative process. You will each be assigned a discussion question early in the semester, which you will be responsible for answering and posting online. You will also be responsible for posting responses to other students' answers, which will facilitate an online discussion. Our first face-to-face meeting will occur after the online orientation and will happen in my lab, where I will show you several insects that we rear in the entomology department. I encourage you to ask questions and explore, as it is through our curiosity that we learn and become inspired. I also highly recommend that you come and visit the Pollinatarium the weekend prior and after the first face-to-face class meeting. Please bring your friends or family, as the Pollinatarium has something for everyone. Who knows? Maybe one of your friends asks a question which in turn sparks a novel thought in you. The Pollinatarium is open every Saturday and Sunday between 1 and 4 p.m. Once you have been exposed to nature, whether you walk around a park, explore a library collection about birds, or even watch your dog playing in the yard, you can begin to wonder how nature can perhaps inspire you to answer one of human society's problems. During the second face-to-face BioCreativity class period, you will introduce, explain, and even defend your idea to your peers. You should use this time to enhance each idea and even refine them. And then at the end of the session, your team should choose one of the ideas, or maybe combine several ideas, to come up with a group inspiration project. This project will be developed over the course of a few weeks. Groups should decide on assigned tasks and a timeline to be able to complete the tasks. As a team, you should be documenting your progress through the use of Google Docs, which I am invited to view. I need to be able to keep track of your progress and the various contributions of your team members. During the third face-to-face BioCreativity class, you will present the idea to your classmates. Please feel free to be creative about the format of your final presentation. You can even do a puppet show, as long as every person in the group participates. When you have finished the presentation, I would then like you to reflect on the process and answer the following question. How can bioinspiration help you in the course of your future research? Your group will be required to post a final document of your project to the course website, and you will also be asked to fill out an online evaluation of your group mates and yourself. Because this task may seem a little daunting, here are some examples of how you can be inspired by nature. When you visit the Pollinatarium, you will learn a lot about honeybees. Social insects like honeybees use distributed sensing and consensus decision-making and have inspired inclusion of cooperative control into robotic vehicles, as well as load balancing on internet servers. Also, the study and analysis of the foraging methods of the honeybees and ants can lead to new optimization techniques for planning and routing systems. Think FedEx and UPS. Honeybee hives are also impressive architecturally. Wild hives are built through cooperative behavior. The honeycomb structure is a very strong design and also represents a very efficient use of material and space. The honeycomb can be an inspiration from the nanomolecular scale all the way up to the macrostructural scale. Some of the sensors used by bees and other insects are elegantly simple. Bees may not be able to resolve images as well as we can, but they do see in the ultraviolet range. They also use mechanosensors and chemosensors to communicate. So come to the Pollinatarium to learn how honeybees communicate through dance. Students together from different backgrounds with different ways of thinking creatively is truly exciting to me. So I'm looking forward to hearing all your ideas for using nature as a tool for innovation. See you soon.